forgotten the password to an Excel sheet you really need? It happens to almost everyone at some point, and it's frustrating when that workbook holds data you can't afford to lose. Here's the good news: in most cases, you can get back in. But the right method depends entirely on what kind of protection your file has. Pick the wrong one and you'll waste time, or worse, risk your data. So in this video, I'll show you how to figure out exactly what you're dealing with, then walk you through the safe methods for each situation, from quick free tricks all the way to strongly encrypted files. Stick around, because the first 30 seconds will save you a lot of guesswork. Before you try anything, you need to answer one question: what type of protection is on your file? Excel has 3, and they're not the same. First, password to open. This is full file encryption. If Excel asks for a password just to open the file, it's using strong AES 256 encryption. No manual trick can bypass this. None. Second, password to modify. Here, anyone can open and view the workbook, but you need the password to actually edit and save changes. You're stuck in read-only mode. And third, sheet or workbook structure protection. This one doesn't really encrypt your file, it just restricts actions, like editing certain cells, or adding and deleting sheets. This is the easiest type to deal with. So, quick check: does your file ask for a password the moment you open it? That's the hard one: encryption. Can you open it but not edit? That's modify or sheet protection, the easy ones. Keep that distinction in mind for the rest of this video. Here's a simple cheat sheet for which approach fits which problem. If you have sheet or structure protection, manual methods work great, things like editing the file's hidden XML, or using Google Sheets. If you have a password to modify, try copy-paste or LibreOffice Calc. But if you have a password to open, that strong encryption, then no manual method will help, and you'll need a dedicated recovery tool. A couple of quick ground rules before we start any of this. Before touching any file, do these 4 things. They'll save you a lot of pain. 1. Always make a backup copy first. Every method here should be done on a copy, never your only original. 2. Only use trusted, reputable tools. Don't grab random software off the internet. 3. If a method involves editing the file's XML, do it carefully and exactly as shown. And 4. Check whether your file might just be corrupted rather than locked, because that's a different problem entirely. With your backup made, let's start with the easiest wins. Don't skip these, sometimes the simplest fix is the right one. First, just try to find the password. Check your password manager, browser-saved logins, old notes, team chats, or emails. People reuse patterns more than they think. Also check your backups and cloud versions. If the file lives in OneDrive, SharePoint, or Google Drive, an unprotected copy might already be sitting there. And if a colleague set the password, simply ask them. If none of that works but you can still open the file, just not edit it, try the copy-paste trick. Open the protected workbook, open a brand new blank sheet, select the data you need, copy it with Ctrl-C, and paste it into the new sheet with Ctrl-V. Then save the new file. It doesn't always work, but when it does, it's the fastest fix there is. This next method works specifically for sheet protection, and it's surprisingly effective. The idea is that an Excel file is really just a zip folder of files inside, and we can open it up and remove the protection tag by hand. Start with a copy of your file. Rename it, changing the extension from .xlsx to .zip. Windows will warn you about changing the extension, click Yes. Now open that zip with 7-zip or WinRAR. Inside, navigate to the XL folder, then Worksheets. You'll see the XML files for each sheet. Open the one you need, press Ctrl F, and search for the tag Sheet Protection. Delete that entire tag, then save with Ctrl S. Finally, rename the file back from .zip to .xlsx, open it in Excel, and the sheet protection is gone. Not comfortable editing XML? You've got two friendlier options. Option 1, Google Sheets. Open Google Drive, upload your locked Excel file, then open it inside Google Sheets. Make your changes, then go to File, Download, and choose XLSX. Because Google handles the file differently, it often lets you straight past simple worksheet and read-only restrictions. Option 2, LibreOffice Calc. It's free, and it uses a different engine than Excel, so it sometimes sidesteps edit restrictions that Excel enforces. Just install LibreOffice, open your protected file in Calc, check whether the data is now editable, and if it is, save it out as a fresh Excel file. Both are quick, safe, and worth trying before anything more technical. For the more hands-on viewers, here are two power user methods. The first is a small VBA macro that works on sheet protection. Open your file, press Alt F11 to open the editor, go to Insert, then Module, and paste in the Unprotect macro. I'll put it on screen and in the description so you can copy it. Press F5 to run it, click OK, and it'll attempt to unlock the sheet. Just note, this works on simpler sheet passwords, not on strong file encryption. And if you're on a Mac, you can use the same rename trick with Archive utility. Make a backup, rename your file to .zip, open it with Archive utility or the Unarchiver. Then navigate to the Worksheets or Workbook XML, open it in Text Edit, and remove the Sheet Protection or Workbook Protection tag. Save, rename back to .xlsx, and open it in Excel. Now, the big one. If your file asks for a password the moment you open it, that's AES-256 encryption. No manual method can remove it, so for this you need a dedicated tool, SysTools Excel Password Recovery. This is its main screen. Start by clicking Browse, then select your protected Excel file. Both .xls and .xlsx are supported. Next, choose your recovery mode. Use brute force when the password is completely unknown, it tries every possible combination. Mask attack is for when you remember part of it, which makes the search dramatically faster. Now set your options, things like the password length, the character set, and what the password starts with. When you're ready, click Recover to begin. The tool gets to work, and you'll see a success message as soon as the recovery is complete. Your recovered password appears right here. Just click Copy Password and save it somewhere safe. Now simply open the protected file in Excel, enter that password, and you're in. No XML, no guessing, no risk to your data. Quick recap on why this tool is the dependable choice for encrypted files. It gives you two powerful recovery modes. Brute force tries every possible combination to crack a completely unknown password. And mask attack speeds things up when you already remember part of the password. It supports all character types and recovers passwords up to 15 characters long. It also handles complex password structures and any file size. And it works across Excel versions, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, and beyond. To download the software, check the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.